In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open any browser engine on your PC and search for just download Blender. So, as you can see, you will find here the official links of blender.org. Click on it like this and click download for Windows. So click download Blender and it's going to start the downloading process here. You just have to wait a little bit until the process of downloading is done. When it's done downloading, guys, as you can see, just click on it and click on it like this, double click, and it's going to take you here to Blender setup. Click next, choose the folder where the installation you want to be and click next and click install and click yes, and the installation right now it's starting. Just you have to wait. And right now, guys, the installation is done. So you just have to go and search for Blender here. Blender, as you can see here in the home screen, and open it like this, and it's going to launch directly. So guys, here is Blender. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.